From the quiz 1 from ST software testing February 25th 2024. So there is a Java code given below and there are 4 options A, B, C, D, and all the options contains the variables X, Y, and the question is identify the appropriate condition which the execution will reach the error statement in line 1. So this is the error statement in line 1. So we want to reach this statement to the program execution, that is cursor will reach this line, when it will reach and which conditions will satisfy given in the options, 4 options. Okay, so public static void compute, this is a method name, public method, and there are 2 variables int x, int y. These are parameters, x and y are parameters. After this method, it will first execute the if condition, right? If the condition is true only, it will enter into this block 1. So first values are the initial values of the parameters. So let us consider the initial values are x0 and y0. Okay, for the first condition is, so that is if it must be true, the condition if, so initial condition x0 less than y0, it must be true. Inside, after this condition there is a statement, right? X plus plus, that is x value is second statement is x plus plus, that means x value is incremented and it's not the initial value, new value, right? So that is x new value equals to x plus 1. X value is x not initial value plus 1, right? Plus 1. After there is an if statement, that is there is nested if, right? So this is also one if condition, if block of statements, this one is another if. So if inside another if, that is nested statements, right? So that is end is used, both the conditions must be true. If both the condition must be true only, we will enter into the inside of this block, right? So for the third condition is if x less than 5, the third condition, what is the x less than 5, that implies x means x new, right? X new value is less than 5. So write in terms of x0, so that is so x0 plus 1 less than 5, that implies x0 less than 5 minus 1, that is x0 less than 4, right? This is the another condition, and this is the first condition, right? x0 less than y0, this is the first condition, this is the first condition, and this is the second condition, x0 less than 4, and we use double AND operation because it is these are nested if conditions. If the condition is true only, we enter into this loop. So we will reach this line 1 error statement if the two if condition must be true. Okay, next condition is y minus minus, that is fourth condition, y minus minus, that is y new value is minus minus means y not minus 1. After this, if the condition is true, it will execute this statement. If the condition is true, it does not reach this statement, right? So this condition must be false, that is y greater than or equal to 0 condition must be false. The fifth one is y greater than or equal to 0, it must be false. So false, only false, it will reach the else statement and reach the error line, right? It must be false. So what is the condition? It must be false, that is y less than 0. So what is y? Y means y new less than 0. Okay, we replace with y new because y value is updated, right? So you can use always updated value, that is y new less than 0, that is y new value is y naught minus 1, right? So y naught minus 1 less than 0, that is y naught less than 1. This is the another condition. This is condition number 3. So this condition is 2 and this one is first condition 1. So these 3 conditions and all are nested, right? So because we use double and or AND operation. So for this, which options are correct? We write first x naught less than y naught and second condition is x naught less than 4. So this one, so this condition, this is the first condition, and double and y naught less than 1. So this is the answer for this question in terms of x and y. So generally we considered initial value as x naught and y naught, right? If it is y, x, only we can write x and y. So answer is C. For this question, the option answer is C. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and share, friends. Thank you for watching.